Hi, my name is Wyatt White, and today I have fashioned a mask. Not just any mask, I tell you. It is a mask that has a lot of things on the inside. I used a vacuum cleaner bag, and that I cut open so that I could have some specialty filtration on the inside of this mask, both inhaling and exhaling. And I sewed it on the inside of this so that I have the inside of half of the vacuum bag on this side where you would be breathing in, and I have the other side of the same vacuum bag so that when you breathe out, it's filtered in both directions. So a little bit of technology there to keep you safer if that's what you choose to do. I've also twisted up a piece of brass wire. I believe it's probably 18, might even be 16 gauge. And that goes across the nose of this said device. And I bent it so that it would fit my nose just right so that we get a nice seal at the top. And I had all of this nice and sewn, and then my needle broke. So that's why we have the dangling stretch parts of the mask. And I still need to go and sew this, and then sew these two onto the sides so that you can stretch it over your face and have your protection, such as that. And because we have all of the filtration stuff built in, you're going to get a nice clean breath both in and out. So that is my mask. I hope everybody's having fun doing this.